Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the public storage app. First, open the app and you'll see the main dashboard. Here, you can easily search for available storage units by location or size. You can also view your current rentals, make payments, and manage your account information. It's designed to give you quick access to everything you need for a smooth storage experience, right from your phone. Reserving a unit is simple. Just select your desired location and unit size, then follow the prompts to complete your reservation. Once you have a unit, the app becomes your digital key. You can find your gate access code and unit number, making entry and exit seamless. Plus, managing your payment methods and setting up automatic payments is straightforward, ensuring your account is always up to date. The app makes managing your payments incredibly easy. You can securely pay your bill using a credit card or other accepted methods. All your payment history is readily available, along with upcoming due dates, so you're always informed. Additionally, you can update your personal contact details and adjust your communication preferences, ensuring you receive important notifications exactly how you prefer. Should you need any help, the app provides direct access to customer support, making it easy to get answers to your questions. You can also explore a wealth of helpful resources, including storage tips and a comprehensive FAQ section, to make the most of your storage experience. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. We hope this guide helps you use the public storage app with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.